Hello everybody. Today I'm going to build the Armorbrick version of the Huey. It is their set number 209. It is a skill level 3 out of 5 and it contains 590 Lego and brick arms elements. I've had this one for a little while. It is a sealed set. Here's what the back of the box looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and then I'll show you what's inside. So it looks like there are 8 bags of parts in total. 2 relatively small with the guns. Here's the instruction manual. Pretty thin. Here's a look at what the instructions look like. Pretty clear on which parts to get and where to put. I'm going to go ahead and start the build. Okay, so I finished building the Armorbrick UH-1D Huey. Turned out pretty good. I like how they use the slopes here on the blade. A lot of the build does look pretty similar to the Brickmania version, but there are some things that they've done differently here, which is cool. I did have a problem with all of these little wing pieces or slopes. I forget what they're called. Thought I was short a couple, but it turned out they used a different piece at one point and it's kind of internal, so it's hidden. Blades do all turn. I'll stop the video here in a second and I'll open up the doors. So here it is with the doors open, and I've also mounted the two guns that were included with the kit. Looks pretty good. These two small doors here in the front do open. Personally, I think the model looks better with the doors open. I've included one minifig just to give a little scale to their helicopter. Put them right there. Overall, I believe Armorbrick did a pretty good job on this helicopter. There are some similarities as far as it goes to the Brickmania one, but there's only so much you can do in Lego without making it look a lot different. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.